Ultimately, we did. But this building happened because of you guys. It truly did. Every time you made a donation, it gave us the freedom to put some money back so that we could dream about this. And it's been a long process. I thank God for Lana Geyer, who had the vision to say this community could do hospice. And for 5 years, they operated on a volunteer basis on contributions only. They weren't even licensed to receive any sort of funds. So that is, it attests to the community that we live in. And I just spoke at a state conference the last 2 days, and I was supposed to talk about the challenges of rural hospice. You know what? I spent the time telling them how wonderful rural hospice is, that there are incredible assets to being rural, that we still believe in neighboring and charitable acts of kindness. That's what I talked about, because I'll tell you what, they couldn't begin to believe when I told them this journey. They couldn't believe it. They could not believe that as a community this size, a community that has struggled economically but still supports those people that help the community. They care about their fellow citizen, and this is what comes because of that. So thank you again. I could stand up here and tell you how wonderful you are for a long time.